Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. As tastes change, Chinese tea centers branch out into coffee.
What are the hidden dangers of reusing cooking oil?
The first major international projects shaped our main references.
Palm oil demand from China, India may rise in next 2 months, support prices.
WTO sounds alarm on global agricultural trade.
FAO Food Price Index increases in April.
Annual Convey 25 conference, leading event for grain handling and processing professionals returns to Omaha, NA.
China develops an eco-friendly biocar machine for sustainable agriculture.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. BIB Select China 2025, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.